Hey y'all, today we're knocking off sort of a bucket list item for me. We're in Laurel, Mississippi, and I have been a huge fan of HGTV's hometown show for quite a while and wanted to come through here and visit Ben and Aaron's store, the Laurel Mercantile store, and the Scotsman General Store. And so this is our first visit here. I've never been to Laurel, so I thought we'd do a drive-through first. And so this video will lead into the next video, which is where we walk around. So if you're interested in those, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can check it out when we go inside the store. But today we're just going to drive around town. So y'all let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Okay, now here we are circling back around to the Laurel Mercantile store. You can't come to Laurel without stopping here. Of course, this is Ben and Aaron's flagship store. There's the mural, and they have the cute little Airstream out there, and of course the truck that you can stop and take pictures with. And inside the store, they have some of the cutest handmade items. They have a lot of quilted stuff in there, like quilted oven mitts, and they have little Christmas ornaments. Of course, they sell their original apparel in there, and they have their own brand of coffee. They have candles and homewares of all different types, original artwork. They have woodworking that comes from the Scotsman's General Store, which is where Ben's shop is. We went in there as well as this store during our walk around of Laurel. That's going to be in our next video, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss that one.